In the past 1 year, we have showcased a ton of units along Thika Road and its environs. Ruiru has taken the spotlight, and that's why most of you keep calling me, Mr. Kihara, do you have an alternative to Ruiru? And in most cases, we tell you no. But today, we present to you this. It is a 4-bedroom with a plinth area of around 260 square meters. It has been done on a 50 by 100 lot, and it is going for only 23.5 million Kenya shillings. From there, you can agree with me that it is a spectacular unit, and I can't wait to show you the bedrooms of this unit because they have been done perfectly. This developer is actually the best. Let's get inside. The home comes with a massive access to allow your Land Cruisers to get in, or your Range Rover if you actually have taste. This is the parking area, and it extends to that side and this other side, big enough to fit 5 or 6 cars. You have your green space done very well, and maybe this is where you should sit and relax, enjoy a family time with your kids. You are getting a glad entrance porch to welcome you to this home, and it acts as a symbol to show everyone in this gated estate that you are the king. This home has been surrounded by a perimeter wall. It is high enough just to prevent any stupid idiot from jumping in, and you are getting enough external lighting just to make sure that this home is fully lit during the night. For you to sustain such a massive home, you must have enough water, and this is an underground tank of 15,000 liters of water. This is not the only tank that you are getting. In the ceiling of the unit, you are also getting a 3,000 liter water tank just to make sure that the water you get in the showers have enough pressure. You are also getting an industrial sink for your outdoor washing, and in my view, this is a very balanced home. But it shocks me just to remember it doesn't come with a kitchen garden. That should be standard for such a beautiful home. I'll take you inside. One of the ways to distinguish a low-cost home from a modern high-end unit is the availability of a foyer. And this welcomes you to the living room, and in this case, it is welcoming you to this sunken lounge. It has been done very well. It comes with 4 big windows for maximum natural light. I like it that the lounge is opening to the dining area on this side, and on this side, it is opening to a hallway that is taking you to the bedroom areas. If you have noticed from the time you started watching this video, is that the developer has given us a very neutral color scheme. The interior of this unit is very neutral, and this is the only paint that he has applied on the walls of this unit. I love the ceiling height. They are giving you a townhouse vibe, and the floor has been done very well. As I mentioned, the living room is opening to the dining area on this side, and here you have a small wash basin just to make sure that you are washing your hands before you eat your meal. A sunken lodge is always a very good design cue, but it is discouraged by many people because it is not very friendly to the people who are differently abled. For this unit, the developer was very, very specific. And if you love the orientation, make sure you call us in the number that will be attached in the first comment. The dining area, as I mentioned, has been done very well. I like the size of it because it is big enough to fit an 8-seater dining set. It is open to the kitchen where the cameraman is, and it is hidden from the living room for your privacy. Let's see the kitchen. A well-done kitchen is always white. That is a fallacy, but this is one of the good ones. It comes with dark granite countertops all over. You have a space that is separating the kitchen from the dining area. It can act as a perfect bar area, and it is next to the space where you should have your oven and your microwave. These 2 sections are for heating your food, and next to me you have a space for the refrigerator, and this is for cooling that food. On this other side, you have a space that has been reserved for cooking, and you are getting a 5-burner cooktop and a heat extractor on top of it. The cabinetry has been distributed very well. You are getting both shelves and drawers for your crockery and your cutlery, and on my far front, you have your washing area. The space has been done very well with a double sink, a massive faucet for your cold and hot water, and you have a mini tap here for your soap dispensing. The sink area is just next to the window for maximum natural light and to give you a good aeration of the wetness that comes with this area. Below the sink area, you have a small heat pump to make sure that the water that you will use to wash the utensils is of optimum temperature. This kitchen comes with a pantry. It is massive, very massive indeed, and it is sufficient space for all your dry foods. For the people who like carrying everything from the village, this is the perfect space for you. This door is opening to the laundry area and the clotheslines area. As I mentioned earlier, the kitchen garden is totally absent in this home. This walkway is connected to the staircase that is taking you to the upper level. We have the common washroom on my far front, and this is the guest bedroom. This room is not the biggest, though it comes with 3 massive windows for enough natural light. Its bathroom is here, and on my far front you are getting the guest closet. It has been partitioned very well. It is floor to ceiling for enough storage. You're also getting a set of 3 drawers down there and spaces here for the foldable clothes. The guest bathroom comes with a vanity, a WC at the center, and you have a bathroom area on my far right. Just before you take the staircase, you have the common washroom here, and it is just standard with all the fixtures that you may require. Below the staircase, you have an extra section that can be modified to act as an indoor laundry area, or you can partition it just to become an extra storage. I'll take you upstairs. There are several highlights of this unit. First, the outside beauty is just phenomenal. Second, the chandelier and the combination of the staircase area has been done very well, and it is totally improving how you feel about this unit. The staircase is leading you to the family room on this level, and you have an ample space where you can sit with all the family members and discuss about family business. The family room comes with a balcony on this side, and it is giving you very nice views. Kamakis is a developing locality, and this gated estate being part of this area gives you all aspects of life. From here, you are getting the first bedroom, and it is just a replica of the guest bedroom that we saw. You have an extra storage here for anything that you would want to keep. Behind me, you have the primary bedroom, and this is the second kids' bedroom. We will see this first. As I mentioned, this room is just a replica to the guest bedroom. It has just been oriented differently. My only problem is this closet because it is not the biggest. I think this room is targeting the tiny children. You're also getting 3 big windows for enough natural light, and the bathroom to this bedroom is here. The bathroom is adopting a similar concept to all the bathrooms that we have seen. You are getting a small vanity, a showering area, and you have a WC at the far end. The second bedroom is slightly bigger than the first one. Make sure you compare and try and tell me the differences in the comment section. In terms of size, I would say that this bedroom is slightly bigger, though it comes with 1 window compared to the other bedroom, which comes with 3 windows. The closet is slightly bigger and far from the sleeping area, and the bathroom of this bedroom is slightly bigger compared to the other one that we saw. I like it that this developer did not do the normal 1,500 Kenya shillings showers. You are also getting a WC which has been done very well, nice spaces for soap holding, and you're also getting a vanity setup with some small storage for all your toiletries. For the people who keep asking for photos, just make sure you go to our website, African Real Estate, because we post all photos of the units that we showcase. If you would want to sell your unit, you can also go to our website and post it there. We will help you sell it. At the entrance of the primary bedroom, you are welcomed by a mini walk-in closet. It has been done very well, and on this side, it runs from there all the way to this edge. This is targeting your wife. You have another small closet on this side, and this is for you. The closet area is opening to the balcony of this primary bedroom. This balcony is massive, and from here you'll understand, or you will agree with me, that Kamakis is very beautiful. The best thing about this area is that it is very close to all social amenities, and it is a cosmopolitan where you can interact with all kinds of people. This is the sleeping area of the primary bedroom. It has been done very well. I like the ceiling height. The gypsum ceilings have been done very well, and you have a mini center light over here. The space will be big enough to fit a king size, queen size, or a customized bed, and the floor to ceiling window on this side is just improving the beauty of this space. You are also getting numerous sockets just to make sure that all devices have been charged. This space has been left for your bedroom TV. Let's see the bathroom. If there is another highlight in this unit, I would say it is this bathroom, because it has been done very well. From there, you can see that it comes with a massive bathtub. You have a WC on this side, and on my far left, you have a vanity, and it comes with several compartments for your toiletries. You're also getting a mirror and a shaving right on that side, and this other end has been reserved for your shower cubicle, which will be added here. As I mentioned, this unit is only 23.5 million Kenya shillings, and to me, I think it's worth every penny. Getting a combination of a good location, good price, and a good unit is very hard to get in this country. And this unit is very, very unique. So if you would want to purchase it, make sure you call us in the number attached in the first comment. As always, never stop watching. And this is African Real Estate, and my name is Mongai Kihara.